Today, we're gonna see if we can kill my grass with baking soda. About 4 years ago, I made a video on how to kill moss with baking soda by taking 2 tablespoons of this and putting it in a 32-ounce bottle. Today, I've got 22-ounce bottles, so we're gonna make up 3 different mixtures. One, we're calling the standard, which is what we used in that very first video, which I'll have a link in the description below. This is our control. Then, we're going to do another one that's got 3 tablespoons per 22 ounces. This is called our stress test. And then one more that we're calling Scorched Earth, which is 6 tablespoons per 22 ounces. Now, I've already mixed this up, but don't mind the deer presence. They're all over. So first, we're going to start here with this is our standard mix, okay? And I'm going to spray it right here, right by this marker. And you can see it. It's all on the grass blades. Okay. This is the normal one that kills moss in 24 hours. Now, I'm going to take our stress test of 3 tablespoons and I'm going to spray that on the one. But you can see we've got plenty on the grass blades. Now, Scorched Earth. This is 6 tablespoons per. Okay, well, we've got this one nice and soaked too. And now, just for fun, we are going to make it rain. Can we kill it? Maybe. We'll come back and see what it looks like. It's been 4 days since we sprayed our test spots. So let's take a closer look and see how they all did. So this was the control. This is our normal dose. I do see some slight burning on the tips, but overall, this looks to be in good shape. We did the stress test, and you can see right in here that these leaves are definitely burned. I don't see too much dead material though. So this was double the rate. Over here, this was we called this Scorching Earth. And I do see, more dead material down inside. And I do see some burning, and then over here, definitely we've got burned grass, and I definitely expect this to die out some. This is where we dumped the entire pile straight out of the box and then added Scorching Earth to it. So, if the question of whether or not baking soda will kill your grass, the answer to that is an astounding yes, but clearly it depends on what your concentration is. So you're best to start with a low concentration and then maybe apply it again before you decide to increase it. So start small, work your way up. After all, baking soda is a chemical made primarily of sodium, which is salt. So salt will burn your lawn. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.